Alright, today we're going to be replacing the window hatches on the emergency exits. I already did this one and that window, so we're going to be doing this one. Got some broken latches. Let's replace them. First, I'm going to remove that center screw in the top, one in the left side, center, right side, center. Alright, once those screws are out, gonna want to beat it. It's not gonna sound pretty, it's not gonna look pretty, but that is how you get it out. And then there's just one wire in the back you gotta cut. That's just the alarm. So once the window's out, there's two screws in the top. I want to get out of there. And the two on that side. This will pop right off. And then you're going to want to open the window. And on the inside, there's a screw right there. There's only one because the other one's a rivet. And that's going to release the top bracket of the window. Now for the inner bracket. All right, now you can drop the window down. Once those two brackets are off, all I did was just push the window up, and that reveals two screws right on the top edge. All right, those screws removed, you can now pry the corners. You don't want to take the whole bracket off, otherwise you won't get the window back in. And then once that's off, you want to just pull these springs out. All right, with the springs removed, pull that back, get that old clip out of there, dump it forward. You're going to want to save the metal and the springs to reuse. Now that we've got working latches, it could all go back together. All right, everything's back together. And now we can get the window back in. Drop it in place. And give it a nice beating. There we go. We got a window. Just gotta get the screws in, she's good to go. All right, working windows. There we go.